Hi all, hope you guys enjoyed my previous two videos regarding Bank Nifty as well as silver. So now I am going to explain about the one particular stock called BL, Bharat Electronics. So here I saw some kind of a reversal pattern here. So I can able to figure it out like where is the resistance level and where the support levels for this. So on daily basis, this particular chart is related to daily basis. So here I am going to place these support and resistance levels. 1 minute. So first I will check the line chart here how it is. Okay, so daily basis it is clearly indicating for me. So there is a breakdown here. After 99.85 I can see one breakdown. 98.15 closing happened yesterday, and if there is a chances of continuing downtrend once it got a breakdown in particularly, like if I check the candlestick pattern, we can able to put there where we can this particular level can break and where it can go and stop. So here, yeah, candlestick. So now, so on daily basis 15 minutes, first we will check on 15 minutes. So it is for the purpose of intraday we supposed to check on 15 minutes. So here since when it was okay, so past 3 weeks, past 3 days it is yeah, so 15 minutes pattern this one. So past 3 days it is 1 2 3, yeah 6th 7, okay, July 6th it was. So I can see it went up to 104, okay, yeah, 105 levels actually, yeah, 105.15. From there onwards it started falling. So what is the date on that day? 8th it is, yeah. So now Monday it opened around 99 point, sorry, yeah, 100 levels, then again trying to go up but it can't sustain above the 100 levels here, yeah. So after touching one time 100 level again came back. Now 99 also it is unable to sustain and closed around 98.15. So here I can see some kind of breakdown here. Once tomorrow if it is trading below 98 levels, there is a high chances of coming down up to 96 levels. Here I can place, yeah, 96.8 can touch, and if it is continue then again it can fall up to 94.65. so for that I have to check the daily basis. So here I can put it the line where, okay, so now exactly it is one kind of support and resistance level. Here it is, okay, 97.20, and the closing was exactly, so this particular candle high was, yeah, 97.95, and this particular candle open was 98.2, and today's closing was 98.15. So there is a chances of coming down to, on daily basis, if I check, it can come up to this level, this particular candle high 94.2. So already in my WhatsApp channel, already I mentioned yesterday itself, like 99.6 level you can do the short sell in futures. So this particular stock has a lot size of 7600 rupees, sorry, 7600 lot size is. So it means for each 1 rupee increase or decrease you will get the 7600. So lot in the sense, like in future, lot means minimum quantity you have to buy or sell. So in future, plus point and advantage is we can, like normal market, we can do the buy and we can hold the shares for one particular time. When it is like moving up, you can sell, or else if it is falling, then you can hold for some time. And same thing in futures, what you can do the sell and hold for that on particular time, then you can buy when it come down to any levels, like if you are selling at 99 rupees, then when if it is falling to 90, so you can book the difference of 10 rupees. 90 to 80 means like 10 into 7600 is the lot size. So 10 into 7600 equal to almost like 76,000 rupees. Yeah. So this is like I can see from starting point here, like yeah, it went non-stop rally. It was actually from 71 onwards, it started moving up to 105 levels. So it should, like here I can see some dip, that one it went up to 87 as well as 93.1. after that it gave the sudden drop and it came down to 87, and again it took the support of this particular close 88, not 88, 88.65 close, it takes support, again 88.7 close, here 89.05. so it doesn't break down this 88.7 levels, then it started moving up again. So after reaching 1.5 for 105, it started falling. Now this particular candle's low was broken at 100.55, and this one, yeah, it become 99.5. next time it is a this particular pattern we call doji. So here it broke down this particular candle's low was broken 98.35 and close was 98.15. so now there we got confirmation after doji. So once 98 below, if it is trading, you can place the target around 95 as well as 90 levels for this week. Thank you guys.